No!
It's just like a...
3 bumps in the chest! 1, 2, 3.
I can't do that. No, that would not happen. I know.
Oh, okay. Don't abuse your Muppets, puppets.
Muppets.
Am I a man?
Or am I a Muppet?
Am I a Muppet?
It's coming up. It's coming up.
I thought they were going to do the big one. So this is what you got to say for yourself.
Hi, Norman.
Hi, Norm.
Hi, Norman.
Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Norman.
Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Norman.
Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Norman. You're zoomed up.
Hi, Norman.
Yeah, the no teeth adds to it. I know. Yeah. Please don't put this in anywhere except for where it is right now.
All right. I have no control because this is for Crystal.
Is this plugged in?
Hi, Fuster Crystal.
Crystal, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm just editing. I mean, I am filming for her. That was attractive.
Okay.
So you basically said, so what are you going to say? He's not supposed to. That's the beginning of my disgusting face.
I'm not zooming in.
I'm not zooming in as the
Shut up.
I'm talking to you. In the case of Black Puppet and White Puppet, you are the father.
You guys are having way too much fun.
Is that the mother?
Bless you.
He's white.
No, you're right.
Spot missing.
We're not the same.
Can you, someone who has one hand free, can you open?
Well, that was rude. Wow, would you look at that?
Of a talk show.
Okay, how do I
Yeah, you're moving your lips.
Ventriloquism. You can't move your lip.
It's pretty interesting because you don't have to do this. My puppet, I'm a ventriloquist and my puppet's a ventriloquist.
No.
We're both ventriloquists. Very hard.
A demic.
Right?
My puppet's gonna be a demographer.
I'm making a
Do you mind? I'm filming.
Alright.
Hi, Norman.
Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Norman.
Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Norman.
Hi, Sheila.
Hi,
I
Norman.
love the.
Mine now.
Yeah, it'll. Look at my queen. Don't you look like?
Aww, a little derp derp.
It's a frog. Can't you tell? Caitlin, we gotta do the thing. We gotta go.
Mine's very.
Okay, wait. Ding, ding. He threw his puppet on the ground. There's been a murder.
Don't worry, we're detectives in Jimmy's film. So 1, 2, 3.
Save him! He's blocking the scene. Wow.
No, Jacob. We're detectives in Jimmy's film, so remember, we can analyze the murder.
Wait, hang on, I got it. Those ones are the boys.
Ba-bum, bum, ba-bum, bum. Oh, God.
Why trust me with the hot glue gun?
I can use.
But these ain't people. These are puppets. Get it? Because I used to be in this play, and I'm not anymore. Oh, isn't that funny? If you come over here.
This
is Lucas.
Uh-huh.
This is 11.
Uh-huh.
This is Dustin, because we didn't have another white puppet.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, Tristan has one.
Oh, well, we don't have a wheel puppet.
I want eyes on the back of my head.
I don't know, where's just like whatever you do,
I mean, it's
don't push
right
here. You can do whatever you want. I mean,
Yeah, I told you. It burns, but it doesn't hurt that bad. I have my bare hand.
Ooh, look at that cinematic shot. In a way, not really. Are you using your giraffe's mouth?
Yes.
I'm making a giraffe.
Make it your own.
That's gonna be in the video for sure.
You can rip it off.
Okay, Dark Souls.
Oh, I didn't get that.
Maybe not. I don't know.
Oh, God. Okay.
I messed mine up.
I thought while you were over there and you just pulled that up like that.
I don't know what's wrong on mine.
Are you okay? When my someone called me out.
more muscular, but now I got
Forbidden
tattoos. So now I know this instinctively. I hold this arm up.
Yeah, because you flex all the time. Ooh, you're a big strong man.
Is that a compliment or a...
Yes, I don't know.
No.
DJ.
Oh, look at that.
No. Olivia. No.
Yeah, dim it out, dim it out. Yeah. Oh, we're twinning.
I was like,
Get out of my room.
I'm gonna do track or some
Cut it
shit.
in half
Yeah.
Got it.
How's everyone's puppets? How's your puppet?
Just
Where's your eyes? What the heck? They like blend in.
I glitched. You saw the rematch.
No, be like, hey, break it up, break it up, break it up, and then
I want to see your puppet.
together like boxing.
Is it in process work?
It's in process. He kind of looks like Arthur right now.
Aw. That's
He's an
cute.
ugly little guy.
How's your puppet going?
Pretty great.
Wow.
It's over there, actually. That's a puppet. Of course, and you went to bed. It's over there. This is a skeleton.
Damn.